And they never really get their flowers. Lavender Salute. Priska was just joined the Glass Squad this year. And Jeff Jefferson, Kasakwawa. Yeah, Jeff has been on the Glass Squad for close to 4 years now. So thank you very much, Glass Squad. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Glass Squad. Mate makeup. Mate makeup 256. I can paint my face today. Apart from the parents, there is it's a group of partners. The media. The media, they let you know what we have to do. So we appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Monty, for hosting us today. Thank you. Julio, please, just now the one that we had, please, Julio. Now I'm talking like your boss. Step back here. That's our official photographer for the past 10 years. Julio was the same. Kevin Technical Crew, I see you at the back there. Ladies and gentlemen, let me invite, I will probably say this, my son, Joram Jobuzira. Please come to So the top model is going to be under management by Kezi Entertainment. But guess who is taking the lead in making sure that she gets the gigs as a model? Maybe even place international. Jora, please step up. A round of applause for Jora Jobuzira. So Jora is going to tell us what is going to happen to a young lady that wins top model. And thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you so much for doing this.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol aside. My name is Joram Jobuzira, and I'm my son. Standing here producing this show is a big dream because when I was starting out 10 years ago, this is the lady that used to stop the most. Because I wanted to be a fashion model, it never happened. I wanted to be like this girl that walked down the runway and then all that it never happened. But to be giving back and proudly sponsoring this with Jen, putting together production and everything, thank you so much for that. And the winner for Miss Uganda Top Model 2023 will automatically get a contract with Jen, 3 years of a contract. And yes, and this means that potentially the dog will end up in Paris, New York, London, and Ireland. Because that's where it's going out. And it will be a very big dream come true. Now that we've seen them with SKP, we've seen them with Hydrogabas, Green Amber, I don't want to forget any designer, George, all the designers that we work with, to see them, a young girl from this group debut with Prada, Versace, Givenchy, and I'm into that. Okay? And I would also like to thank the ladies standing behind here. We had one day, as in just one day with all of them. But the energy that is put, the emotion, I mean, they were walking down the street and I felt like, oh my God, this was like a Givenchy show, a Prada show, blah, 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 blah. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for enduring me, yelling at you the whole time, screaming at you, and you did it. A round of applause, can we all just stand and give them a round of applause, please? It takes a lot of energy, effort, drive to do this. A round of applause for you. Thank you so much.
Yes, ladies, you're going to have a photo shoot with Shiba. So she's going to have a photo shoot with you. ending her next collection on the 20th. Soon after the grand finale, you're doing a photo shoot with Shiba. Now, Academy of Queens. What am I going to wear for grand finale? Shiba, I'm sending the girls, I'm sending the Academy of Queens, and to you two of us, I'll just say so and so and so and so. Go to a bus, continue. Go to Shiba. So we'll talk backstage. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. Keep voting for your Miss Popularity because she needs to go to Egypt ASAP to represent. Buy your tickets, come dress to the nines and walk that red carpet, and then support your favorite contestant. Come 18th of March. To get your tickets, go to www.kiwedde.co.ug. To book tables, Queen Letty, where are you? Please step up. To book your tickets, this lady here, Queen Christine Letio, is the one you talk to. Can you read your number for us, please?
Sure. My number is 0781 956153. Again, already 0781 956153. Thank you.
That's how you get your tables. Ladies and gentlemen, continue voting. Thank you very much and continue watching the show. I am proudly dressed by Lydia Charachi. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out. Thank you for supporting the girls on this journey. Thank you, girls. Well done tonight. I was like watching New York Fashion Week. Thank you. Thank you again, Joram. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And good night. DJ.
Right now I'm not looking, I'm just having a good time in my life. I'm starting my career again. I'm back, I'm back like I never left. So not right now. Okula kitegeeza
okula emyaka
emyaka gyemina mitono nnyo ate ne bwe nandibadde wataano. Doesn't necessarily that I need to settle down with a man. That's not what it means. We're independent women. We want to make our money. Abaana nina. So the most important thing for me right now, kola sente, kolera abaana bange, kola future yaabwe, tegeera. So abasajja right now, I want to show strong women. This is Women's Month. I want to show women that we can stand alone. You know what I mean? We do this on our own. So omusajja wabasajja professional kitegeeza you can't always move on. I do your thing, you're training.
abaana bameka
Nina abaana basatu.
mu basajja bameka basajja bameka
Abaana basatu.
basajja basatu
Mu basajja babiri.
none yakugoba omulaba omwana
Yangoba
tewaliyo
tebangoba. Naye bonna babangoba. Ebangoba.
naye bagamba nti bakugoba wali osiba nnyo omugaala onywa nnyo shisha n'omwenge
Naye wali yagala okulya wali kusangiko nga nnywa shisha.
era omwenge byatabula amakaago omwenge bufudu omuganire
Oyo yonna olukozi gwe muwulira ekisooka omanyi ekirungi kiyinza bawulire gye batuyogerako gatukolera. So ebyogerera ebyo naye kyemulina okumanya mumwaga okumanya Robert Kisito muneetuukireze nganze.
wali ofuuse omusajja ewaka
I'm an alpha female. If you don't know what that means we run the house, we run the world, we run everything. So it doesn't matter if I run the relationship. I'm an alpha female.
nje tukufunyisa abaana abali wansi wa eziyo bafuga
Kiki?
Okufunisa abaana abali wansi wa ADO osobole okubafuga
Osobola okubafuga.
gwe ofuge.
Hey, I don't just see Jagara, I like younger men. So
Okuzaamu omusaayi.
not because Jagara Buffalo, because Chara Jagara, of course, on Sajja. Like I said, I'm an African.
But you don't feel ashamed inside yourself.
Shame, which shame?
Like, no ganti tuobunya.
No, omwana bwaba wekajja above 18 years, tabeera mwana muto. So, gentlemen out there, if you're above 18, don't shy away from me. Don't shy away from me. Musayi muto.
Qualification Nigerian yali asinga obukulu.
Nigeriana is a good friend of mine. Simanyi myaka neze ngazi n'emyaka asatu mukaaga. Nina asatu mukaaga, so simanyi Nigeriana gy'alina.
Naye ekyambe ng'ofuna ekyamaanyi nnyo.
Kyambe ki?
Twakulaba dda.
Kati bakulu emyaka gye banzaala, omwaka gwe banzaala, 86, do the math. 7 weyayingirirawo. 7 weyayingirirawo. Nange banzaala, so I'm 36 years old. I'm one of those people who doesn't shower. I look good. I look good. I really look good. I don't look 36. People tell me I look 20 years old, and I embrace it. I age gracefully, man. Uganda, because I'm going above 18.
Application ibazireeta wa?
Alina okuba na bisaanyizo ki?
Better put it straight.
Ate omuvubuka omupulezidenti yazikola.
Kati olowooza nti nate benfuna abaziina abajjawo.
Oli yavuga ka rawumu.
Rawumu yali yange
Tegeeza oli gy'odiga. Yagala abaana bato nga
siri goldiga naye njagala nga yesobola nga nange nesobola nga tammenya nga nange
aliwaba wamugoba. Nga yakugoba. Ate nga rawumu yali yuyo yali walekere.
nabagambye tebanguba nze namboza tebanguba
Bw'aba nga alina waka naye nga talina
Omwana akubuuliza nti
bw'aba alina waka naye nga talina mukase.
oyo naye ajje kubanga waka naye akola
Kuba n'oli naye yalinaamu rawumu yali yo. Mubanga oli ekyobugaga kyeyalina kyokka buno obuwero bw'oku mutwe.
obwokumutwe temufaayo ye gyanjagala nange ne mumwagala nekinyuminywa life ebirala byonna byonna mukisonyiwe
Naye abaana tebasaba
badani bamwe webali webali just because you're not with the man doesn't mean you're not co-parenting bakita co-parenting abazungu bakitiibira so abaana balina okulaba batata baabwe so of course when they want to see their kids they see their kids
n'ebiseera bye mwanyweranga akayaga mutoyi n'eshira gashumba.
no comments
N'ebiseera bye mwanyweranga akayaga mutoyi n'eshira gashumba.
yani ani
Shira gashumba bwe mwanyweranga akayaga.
oyo simumanyi
Ani g'otamanyi? Shira gashumba tomumanyi?
simumanyi
Tomanyi shira gashumba?
simumanyi manyi Robin Christie
Mwekyawa.
Huh?
You are friends.
Yani,
We are tighty.
yani.
Eyalipesiwo nga
Sibimanyi. Sibimanyi.
tomuwuliranga nako.
Tomumanyi.
Sibimanyi.
Nga wamugoba omusajja yabawo
Simumanyi.
bw'owulira shira gashumba ki ekikugira bw'omu?
Tewali. Tewali. Like, mwongere ebintu irrelevant.
Yali relevant.
No, mwongere ebintu irrelevant at this time. Right now, ekyo kyekugamba ekyo kiri relevant. Simanyi kigenda maaso mukula mumwe so mbuuza Robin Christie.
Oli otya?
Then whatever happening in the industry. You can catch me on Makula TV.
Eka loli Makula. Naye ng'ozunga.
I am doing the journey to the Crowned Hannah